Good morning, word wizards. Who remembers the two sounds the letters E-A make? That's right. The letters E-A make the long E sound like in the word easel and the short E sound like in the word bread. Well, today we are going to continue practicing how to spell and read words with the short and long E sound spelled with E-A. I'm going to read you a story called Peaches and Cream, a decodable practice reader. Bee lives by a tree on a farm. She eats meals of bread and peas. In summer, ripe peaches gleam on Bee's tree. A synonym for gleam is shine. Bee takes a big breath and leaps up, but she can't reach them. Bee sends a note to Dean. Dear Dean, please have tea with me at my tree. Bee asks, can you get the peaches? Is Dean's beak sharp enough? No, the peaches must be meant to stay on the tree. Bee uses her head when Daisy sneaks by. Bee speaks to her. Can you get the peaches? Daisy gets up in the tree and beats on the branch. Peaches fall in a heap. Bee beams. The synonym for heap is a pile. And you see that big smile on her face? Bee is beaming. Bee, Dean, and Daisy have a feast. Peaches and cream are a real treat. Now I'm going to read you the story again. This time we are going to listen and look for all the words that with the letters E-A. We will make a list of the words. If the E-A makes the long E sound, I will write the word in blue. And if it makes the short E sound, I will write the word in red. Peaches and cream, a decodable practice reader. In the title, I hear two words with the long E sound spelled E-A, peaches and cream. I also see another E-A word with the long E sound, reader. Okay, as I continue, I want you to pay very close attention for those E-A words, making the long E sound and the short E sound. Bee lives by a tree on a farm. She eats meals of bread and peas. I hear the word bee, eats, meals, bread, and peas. The word bread is in red because it has the short E sound. Bread. Okay, let's look at the next page. In summer, ripe peaches gleam on Bee's tree. Bee takes a big breath and leaps up, but she can't reach them. Some new words I heard are peaches, gleam, breath, leaps, and reach. Let's look at the next page. This time what I want you to do is hold up a finger for every word you hear with the long E sound spelled E-A. Bee sends a note to Dean. Dear Dean, please have tea with me at my tree. How many words did you hear on this page? Let's see if you're correct. Number 1, the word bee. The second word is Dean. The third word is dear. The fourth word is please. And the last E-A word is tea. There were 5 words with the long E sound spelled with E-A. Now on this page, I want you to pay close attention for the EA word, but it makes the short E sound. Let's see if you can hear it. B asks, "Can you get the peaches?" Is Dean's beak sharp enough? No, the peaches must be meant to stay on the tree. Did you hear that word? All right, let's go over all the words with the EA, with the long vowel sound and the short vowel sound. Peaches, beak. We already wrote Dean, so beak. Meant. That's right, the word meant is an EA word with the short E sound. B uses her head when Daisy sneaks by. B speaks to her. Can you get the peaches? How many words on that page? B, head, sneaks, speaks, peaches. B, sneaks, speaks, peaches all have EA, making the long E sound, and the word head is short E. Daisy gets up in the tree and beats on the branch. Peaches fall in a heap. B beams. So we have beats, heap, and beams. B, Dean, and Daisy have a feast. Peaches and cream are a real treat. B, Dean, feast, peaches, cream, real, and the word treat are all words with the long E. Let's go over all the words we've seen and heard in the story. As I read them, I want you to repeat after me. B, eats, meals, peas, peaches, leaps, reach, deer, Dean, tea, beak, sneaks, speaks, heap, beams, feast, cream, real. Now here are the short E sound, words with the short E sound, spelled EA. Bread, breathe, meant, head. Now that you've learned all the words that have the EA making the long E sound and the short E sound, let's do some practice. First thing you're going to do, you're going to read all the words with the short E and the long E sound, spelled EA, and then you're going to fill in the blanks with the missing word. Good luck and have fun!